Hey guys, welcome back to Desi Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with BitGet Airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com and click on BitGet Airdrop. So I'm just going to find where is the BitGet Airdrop over here. Yes, I have found it is here. So BitGet Airdrop is up to 500 BFT tokens and rewarded to the community members. To participate in this airdrop program, sign up at the BitGet exchange, complete the KYC verification. You can also win up to 100 USDT through lucky draw. So before going to the steps for the registration, let's have a look on the what BitGet is. So BitGet is an exchange which is the world's leading community co-management digital asset trading platform. It is a part of a digital financial brand BitGet Group and is committed to providing the world's most secure, high-quality digital asset trading, management and financial services currently. Alright, so there are 7 simple steps guys to complete the registration procedure. Let's start with step number 1. Sign up at BitGet exchange and verify your email address. Click here to sign up at BitGet exchange. So give your email address. Mine is desiairdrops@gmail.com. Give a password. Confirm your password. Alright. Click on I agree and click register button. So yes, I have received an email verification code guys. So let me go back to my email ID, get the verification code, paste it here and click the complete registration button here. So let me go back there and come back to you. So this is my verification code which I have received to my email address. Now click on complete registration button. Alright. So step number 2, log into the dashboard and complete the KYC verification. So let's go back to the dashboard. Alright. So go to the account. Here you need to complete your KYC verification in the ID verification sector. Alright, so I'll be doing in a few minutes probably once I complete this airdrop program for you. Now step number 3, go to the benefit center in your profile. Click here to go to the benefit center in my profile. Similarly, you have to go to your benefit center in your profile, and then step number 4 could be claim daily sign in rewards, which is of 30 BFT tokens. So let me try. Where is my BFT daily sign in? Yes, this could be the one, I believe, if I'm not wrong. So here you can see my daily rewards is 30 BFT tokens for the registration reward. Now click on collect price. Okay, so for that we need to complete the verification guys, ID verification, then only we could be able to receive the 30 BFT tokens. So yes, I'll be doing in few minutes. Now step number 4, yes, claim daily sign-in rewards of 30 BFT plus tokens. Step number 5, participate in the lucky draw to win 100 USDT after 21 days. Step number 6, similarly you can complete various tasks listed on the page. Yes, you can see here there are many tasks listed here, so slowly one by one you have to complete. And then step number 7, also invite your friends to get 20 BFT tokens. Well, that's all guys about the registration procedure for BitGet exchange. If you like this BitGet exchange airdrop, don't forget to offer and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook and Twitter for fastest, legit, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.